Raising backyard chickens can be a truly rewarding experience, but for many poultry keepers, maximizing egg production is a top priority. Whether you're a homesteader, a hobby farmer, or just starting out with a small flock, understanding how to help your hens reach their full laying potential can make all the difference. In this video, we'll reveal 10 proven secrets to make your chickens lay more eggs, drawing on expert advice and practical experience. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to a healthy, productive flock. The first secret is choosing the right breeds. Not all chickens are created equal when it comes to egg laying. Some breeds are known for their prolific egg production, while others excel in meat or ornamental value. For maximum eggs, consider breeds like the Leghorn, Rhode Island Red, Australorp, or Isa Brown. These breeds can lay upwards of 250 to 300 eggs per year under optimal conditions. Before bringing chickens home, research their laying potential and pick those best suited to your climate and goals. Second, provide balanced nutrition. Hens need the right diet to produce eggs consistently. A quality layer feed contains 16 to 18% protein, plus essential vitamins and minerals like calcium and phosphorus. Calcium is especially important for strong eggshells, so offer crushed oyster shells or limestone as a supplement. Fresh greens, grains, and kitchen scraps can add variety, but avoid feeding too many treats, which can dilute their nutritional intake. Remember, what your chickens eat directly impacts their egg output and health. Third, ensure access to clean, fresh water at all times. Water is crucial for egg formation, as eggs are composed mostly of water. Dehydration can quickly reduce egg production. Check waterers daily, keep them clean to prevent algae and bacteria, and consider using heated waterers in winter to prevent freezing. Hens will drink more during hot weather, so monitor their intake and refill as needed. A simple investment in reliable water sources can result in more eggs and healthier birds. Fourth, provide adequate lighting. Chickens are sensitive to daylight, and their laying cycles are closely linked to hours of light exposure. Aim for about 14 to 16 hours of light per day to keep hens laying year-round. During shorter winter days, supplement natural sunlight with safe artificial lighting in the coop. Use LED or incandescent bulbs on a timer to mimic sunrise and sunset, but avoid leaving lights on all night, which can stress birds and reduce productivity. Proper lighting is one of the most effective ways to boost egg production in every season. Fifth, create a comfortable, stress-free environment. Chickens thrive when they feel safe and secure. Stress from overcrowding, predators, excessive noise, or rough handling can decrease egg laying. Provide enough space, at least 2 to 3 square feet per bird inside the coop and 8 to 10 square feet per bird in the run. Use secure fencing, predator-proof locks, and soft bedding like straw or wood shavings. Offer hiding spots and quiet areas for hens to relax. A peaceful flock is a productive flock. Sixth, maintain good health and hygiene. Disease and parasites are common threats that can dramatically reduce egg production. Inspect your chickens regularly for signs of illness, such as lethargy, pale combs, or abnormal droppings. Practice biosecurity by cleaning coops, feeders, and waterers weekly and changing bedding often. Use natural or approved treatments for common pests like mites and lice. Vaccinate your flock where recommended and quarantine new birds before introducing them. Healthy hens are happy hens, and happy hens lay more eggs. Seventh, provide proper nesting boxes. Each hen needs a safe, private place to lay her eggs. The ideal nesting box is about 12 by 12 inches, lined with soft bedding, and placed in a quiet, dimly lit area of the coop. One box per 4 to 5 hens usually suffices. Keep boxes clean and collect eggs daily to prevent breakage or egg eating. Consider using fake eggs or golf balls to encourage hens to lay in boxes. Well-designed nesting areas lead to more eggs and fewer problems. Eighth, minimize molting and manage flock age. Hens naturally stop laying during the molt, when they shed old feathers and grow new ones. Molting typically happens once a year and lasts several weeks. While you can't stop molting, you can support hens with higher protein feed and minimize stress during this time. Also, remember that egg production peaks in the first 2 or 3 years of a hen's life, then gradually declines. Plan to add new pullets to your flock each year to maintain steady egg numbers. Ninth, reduce broodiness and encourage laying behavior. Broody hens want to sit on eggs and hatch chicks, which stops their laying cycle. If you don't want chicks, promptly remove broody hens from nesting boxes and discourage broodiness by collecting eggs frequently and using wire-bottomed broody cages. Some breeds are more prone to broodiness, so choose less broody breeds for consistent egg production. Positive reinforcement, such as treats in nesting boxes, can encourage regular laying. Finally, monitor and adjust your flock management. Successful chicken keeping is all about observation and adaptation. Keep detailed records of egg numbers, feed consumption, and health issues. If production drops, investigate common causes like stress, disease, or changes in environment. Adjust feed, lighting, or flock composition as needed. Consult with local poultry experts or veterinarians for advice tailored to your situation. Continuous improvement and learning will keep your flock productive year after year. Let's recap these 10 proven secrets to help your chickens lay more eggs. 1. Choose high-laying breeds. 2. Feed balanced nutrition with adequate protein and calcium. 3. Ensure constant access to fresh water. 4. Provide 14 to 16 hours of light daily. 5. Maintain a stress-free, spacious environment. 6. Practice good health and hygiene. 7. Offer clean, comfortable nesting boxes. 8. Manage molting and flock age. 9. Reduce broodiness and encourage laying. 10. Monitor and adapt your flock management. By applying these strategies, you're not just increasing egg production, you're also improving the well-being of your chickens and the sustainability of your farm or backyard setup. Each flock is unique, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for your situation. Remember that happy, healthy hens are the foundation of a productive flock. If you enjoyed these tips and want to learn more about smart, sustainable agriculture, be sure to explore additional resources on feed formulation, coop design, disease prevention, and more. Sharing knowledge with fellow poultry keepers can help everyone achieve better results and enjoy the rewards of homegrown eggs. Thank you for joining us on this journey to better egg production. With a little care, attention, and know-how, your chickens will reward you with a steady supply of fresh eggs and plenty of farm-fresh satisfaction. Keep learning, keep observing, and keep supporting your feathered friends. The results will speak for themselves.